Welcome back, VST here, Tech guys, reporting from the sunny Greece. A new update from Samsung on Wonderland. This time the version is 1.3.01. It supports a new type of wallpaper and includes transition effect when user turns on the screen. Now what do we see, guys? We see the following: as more as we move to the One UI 6 alleged beta based on Android 14, we see Samsung pushing for some new features. Now, is it new transitions with the Wonderland, or let's say customization of Lockscreen or widgets on Lockscreen? There are these little things that hopefully eventually will make up the whole One UI 6 experience. So pieces of this and that will appear here and there, and finally we're gonna get this in One UI 6. Now this time it's Wonderland. You know, Wonderland is very famous for allowing you to create like this 3D depth wallpapers and customizing your experience, wallpaper experience, while using Good Lock. Now, how do we know it's installed, guys? Once you have it, open Good Lock, go to Wonderland, guys. And excuse me the weather, today we have really severe weather, so it's just challenging for me to even shoot this video, but I'm trying my best. So create your different lock screen effect. This is here the absolute new thing. Before that we only had the option to create moving wallpapers, right, with this parallax effect, which has been used in so many phones before. Now guys, I'm gonna click here on this new thing, Wonderland, create your unique wallpaper. So let's just go and directly see what are these stock things. First thing is Alice and Warp. So here there is a small preview, by the way. There is this nice wallpaper animation. I'm going to set this, guys, directly stock and just see what is gonna happen. So here, this new wallpaper on my phone. All right, now I'm gonna wake up the phone one more time. All right. Oh, okay. Yep. I can see the warp effects and whoop. Okay, one more time, guys. See, the moment I click the button, whoop, the wallpaper is kind of displayed on my screen, whoop, with this warp effect. So this was the first thing. Of course, there are modifications to this, guys, right? You can click here the edit button, right, and you can just play with the effects. So we have the warp effects, we have CRT effects. Okay, let's just, guys, choose something that is a bit more easier for you to see. All right, let's just go for the avocado CRT. Actually, all these new effects, guys, like warp, CRT, ripple, pixelate, all these new effects here are displayed with all these new wallpapers like CRT, pixelate, ripple, sphere, warp, edge, and blur. Now, okay, this is this one, guys. I'm gonna save, apply, right? I'm gonna save a copy of this one. I'm gonna set it, and now we have the avocado CRT effect. So I'm powering off the phone. What? Ah, the CRT. Okay, I got it now. You see, when you just switch it on, whoop, it makes like an old CRT TV or monitor. Okay, then we have the cut ripple effect. Oh, okay. This is hopefully nice. I'm gonna set this as well, and yeah, I can play around. Okay, let's now test the cut ripple effect. Oh, okay, right, from a close-up. Okay, sweet. Okay, and winter edge. Let's just see that one. Oh, winter edge is nice. Now let me just show you one more time, guys, what you can do from the edit. So besides choosing the effects CRT, pixelate, ripple, sphere, warp, edge, and blur, you have also, guys, the following settings. So apparently you can play with the speed. You can have it fast or slow, the effect, thickness of the effect, brightness, like you can have it darker or bright, and also grayscale, either grayscale or, I hope, not grayscale. In fact, let's just test this. If we go here, all right, this is kind of the various things. Darkness, all right, you can just see how it's effect. Okay, maybe I can even start like this so that you can show it. Okay, so this is here like almost no effects. All right, now first thing is the effectiveness. So okay, slow. Now I'm gonna show you guys, this is medium. Okay, then we have thickness and thinness, which I don't know what it's doing. Is it playing with the icons somehow, I guess? Then we have dark and bright. Okay, dark and bright one more time. And then we have, last but not least, the grayscale. So this is it. Let me cancel this. I want to try another one, and I want to try the one that is called Game Pixelate. I'm gonna set this as a wallpaper. Actually, no, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I want to use here something else. Oh, and by the way, you don't have all the options for all of these wallpapers. For some, you only have different settings like pixel size and the speed. This is here, I guess, a very famous game, Space Invader, and now okay, yep, Honestly, I like them. The implementation is better than what we've seen here with the widgets on the lock screen, and I hope it's going to get only better, and I hope that also my phone is not going to be blown away from this very strong weather. Now guys, about Wonderland, you can check here, this is the latest version 1.3.01, and guys, landscape blur. Oh, this is a nice one. Okay, so I can just save this one. Did I apply that one? Yep. And this is going to be the last, because I'm just thinking that everything is going here out of control. Landscape blur. What is happening here? Okay, you have this blur in and out effect. This is it guys. Let me know down below in the video if you like this type of videos. If that's your thing, you know how to support the channel guys. Stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.